So actually, yeah, there's driftwood floating back here. I wish this was easier to zoom in. What the frig? Oh my gosh, can I not do it while I'm... Stupid shit. Anyway, so maybe I'll try to... So right in there, and then there's some little pieces down in there I can see. And then there's a pretty good sized one right around in there, in the seaweed in the water. The terrain back here is very difficult to navigate. It's very inconsistent in elevations. So, and without being able to see the bottom, I don't want to step somewhere thinking it's like, you know, 3 feet deep, when really it's like, you know, 16 feet deep. That's probably a little bit of an exaggeration. But 8 feet deep wouldn't be out of the question, which is still pretty much the same thing because it's over my head. So we don't want to do that. I mean, if I know I'm going to go over my head, that's fine. But to not know, to think I'm going to be only knee deep and then to go over my head, that could be a little bit of a sticker shock. That's a scooper upper. It's almost like I should have gone for a walk earlier while the tide was out, because those logs that were stuck behind there that in the seaweed at low tide, those might have been sitting on the rocks. That's what happened with that one on the north end here. And they get so tangled up in the stuff that they can't wash back out. And then when the tide goes out, you know, I can set, it's easier to navigate the terrain. This is pretty rotted, that sucks. Oh well. Oh shit, there's another one. Whoops, watch my language. This thing is so rotten. Holy crap. Whew. I gotta turn the camera off for a second.